Got a 2016 Honda CR-V. I'm going to check the condition of my cabin air filter. I'm going to come over to the glove box. I'm going to open it up. First thing I want to do is I'm going to want to disconnect this damper here. All you're going to need to do is push down on it to disconnect it. Okay, it'll disconnect right there. Okay, once you have that done, you're going to want to push on the glove box. You're going to want to push this tab that way past this on both sides. Okay, and then I'll let your glove box down. Once you're in here, your cabin filter is located in here, and what you're going to do is press this little button here, pull off the cover, same thing here, pull that in, pull off the cover, and there's the cabin filter. And take note of the direction of flow. It says the flow is down. Okay, it's on this filter and it's right here on the case. So this one's actually not too bad. Okay, but I'm not replacing it right now. I just want to kind of check it out. But if you need one of these, I'll leave a link down in the description box. If you need a new one, check that out. And if this video was helpful, do me a favor and leave a comment or hit that thumbs up button for me. Once you get a new one, or if you just want to put your old one back in, just push the cover back on, pull it back up, and the damper right here, bring it back down, and it has this little clip. I'm just going to clip it right back on, and there you go. Thank you.